Hello guys, in this video we will see how to prepare for CAT exam. I will be also discussing different sources from where you can take the material and start your preparation then and there. I will also tell about the preparation timeline, which is again very important for this exam. So this video will be helpful for all the CAT aspirants, particularly if you are the first timer. Means if you will be giving this exam for the first time in November, then this video will going to help you a lot. So let's get started. So the first things first, the VARC section which appears first in the exam. I will be talking about the reading comprehension questions and verbal ability questions. Whatever is visible to you right now on the screen, I will come back to it later because it tells about the sources for the reading articles. Okay, I will come back to it later. First, I will talk about the RCs and VA questions which actually come in the exam. Okay, so I am making this video in the month of January. So if you have already started your preparation for the CAT exam, so you can practice RCs, 2 to 3 RCs daily. Okay, VARC section is very important because this is the section where the many people struggle the most till the end of the exam, till the month of November. You can be good in the LRDI and quants section once you do the rigorous practice. But if you are someone that who doesn't have much reading habit right from school days or from college days, then VARC section is something which you need to be more focused on. Okay, so let us start. So you can practice RCs, 2 to 3 RCs basically right now in the month of January or February. That will be enough. Now, the thing is from where to start or from where to practice RC questions. Do not just write on the Google and start solving the RCs, whichever website is coming over there or whichever material you get on Google. Okay, means your preparation needs to be structured, right? There are numerous things available, but you need to be very specific upon when comes to the material selection and all. Okay, so you can take one book which is RCs by SK that is available in the PDF format. That is very good for the RCs preparation. Or you can also take any other coaching institute's material. So you can practice reading comprehension questions and verbal ability questions from any coaching institute's book, or you can solve that RCs by SK PDF that is available. Okay, so if you do that, that will be enough for this time. So before June and July, you have to complete the basics. Basically means you need to have a feeling of the RCs. You need to be you need to know basically what kind of questions are being asked in this section, so that once the mock season starts from June July, you can prepare well and you can score well in the mocks from June, July onwards. So what I'm saying is just try and get a feel of this section by start preparing by books or with any other coaching institute's material. Okay, and same thing goes with the verbal ability part as well. One more thing which is important, that is the critical reasoning questions. You can get the critical reasoning questions in any of the coaching institute's material, and see it doesn't matter which coaching institute material you are using or booklets you are using, because more or less every coaching covers every topic, right? So there is no point of arguing that whichever coaching institute's material is right, or means whichever is best or something like that. You can take any material. Every coaching institutes cover everything, so it doesn't matter at all. So critical reasoning is also important. Even I have also made one playlist on my channel, so if you are interested you can watch the videos of critical reasoning there as well. So once you are having a feel of the RCs, and once you are into the solving RC questions mode, then you will score good in the VRC section. Now the thing is, if you don't have a good reading habit, from where you can read the articles, English articles, that is visible on your screen right now. This circle kind of a thing chart gives you the reading articles sources, that is Aeon, Smithsonian Magazine, Science Alert, Hindu editorials, and Guardian you can also refer, then L Daily. Okay, there are numerous other sources as well, but if you stick to these sources, it will be enough. Okay, so start reading English articles from here, and you will realize that after some months your reading speed has also improved. Okay, so this is something which is very important, and do not miss it. Just read 1 or 2 articles daily. Okay, whatever be the sources. Okay, it doesn't matter. Means on the first day, if you are using Aeon, on the second day you might use Hindu editorials, then Smithsonian Magazine, then Science Alert. It just depends upon you. Okay, change the sources from these 5 6 sources and just read the articles daily. That is very important for your reading. Okay, if your reading is good, definitely you will comprehend the passage good, and hence you can solve the RC questions very well. Okay, so there is one more video I have uploaded on my channel, that is the strategy video to attempt the VARC section. That video covers basically that what is the strategy that needs to be adopted to solve this VARC section in the exam. For that video I will be giving the link in the description box, and that video might be appearing in the top right corner of your screen right now. Okay, so that is all for the VARC section. Let's move ahead to the LRDI section. Okay, so LRDI section is very important again. Means all 3 sections are very important, but many people say that LRDI section is the make or break in the CAT exam. Okay, I feel all the 3 sections can be a make or break. So leave it aside. So basics of LRDI from again any coaching institute's material. See, take any material and start solving. You can also take Arun Sharma book. Okay, so uh, what is important is that you are solving the LRDI sets and getting a feel of it. Okay, various topics are available for the LRDI section, like linear arrangement, circular arrangement, games and tournaments, caselets, then Sudoku type of sets. These sets will be there in the coaching institute's materials or in Arun Sharma book. So complete those basics. And one very important thing that I want to share with you guys is that the LRDI sets which will be appearing in the CAT exam, that practice will be done through mocks only, because all the LRDI sets that you will encounter in the coaching institute's materials, that will cover only the basics part. Okay, so means you can't say that if you are done with any coaching, any particular coaching institute's material, then you are through with LRDI section. You can't say that. Okay, because those are just the basics. Those are just to give you a feel of each and every topic. The actual LRDI preparation will start from the mocks. The CAT level LRDI sets appear in mocks only. Okay, I am repeating again, the CAT level LRDI sets appear in mocks only. Okay, so what you can do from January to June, July onwards, you complete the questions for LRDI section from any coaching institute's material. Again, it is irrelevant which material you are taking. Just complete the basics by June, July. This is the timeline basically. Once the mock season starts from the June, July, practice the LRDI sets only from the mocks. The LRDI sets which are appearing in the mocks, only practice from that. Okay, there is no need to again going back to the books. Okay, the books part needs to be completed by June, July. And so once the mock season starts, what you can do one more thing, that take the previous year mocks as well, like 2018 season mocks, 2019 season mocks, 2020 season mocks, and practice LRDI sets from those mocks only. So what I am saying is, just to conclude, that the actual LRDI preparation will start from the mocks, because the CAT level LRDI sets appear only in mocks. Okay, so these previous year season mocks are also available in PDF format. Or what you can do is, if you don't know anything from where to get those mocks, join the CAT preparation Facebook groups. Write the message over there. Someone will definitely help you out, and someone will definitely provide you the links. Okay, the relevant links for that. Okay, start solving the LRDI sets from the mocks only once your basics is completed. Okay, so that is for the LRDI section. And this Sudoku type of set is seen that it is appearing from quite a few years. now. So I have also uploaded one LRDI set on my channel, which is of Sudoku type, and I will again give its link in the description, and it will also be appearing in the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so that's all for LRDI section. Now coming to the quant section, again, complete the basics from any coaching institute's material. Many people also follow Arun Sharma books, Nishit K. Sinha books for quants. Okay, so what I am saying is it doesn't even matter what you are taking. What it matters is that you have started your preparation. That is all what matters. You have to just complete your basics from January to June, July. Okay, means before the mock season starts, you have to complete your basics, and that goes for all the three sections, be it VARC, be it LRDI or quants. Okay, so again, I am stressing that do not go into the debate or do not argue that which coaching institute's material is best or something like that. Every material covers more or less everything. Okay, so complete your basics, and once the mock season starts, there is one more thing, particularly with the quants question, that you need to keep a time check on each and every question. Okay, so what I am saying is, like, you are solving a question, let's say from time and work topic. Okay, and you have to keep a time check on each and every question that you are solving, because it will tell you whether you are able to solve that question within the time limit or not. Take the time limit to be 2 minutes. You need to solve the question in 2 minutes. Any question that is taking more than 2 or 2.5 minutes, leave that question, okay, for the later stages. Or if the time permits, you can uh, solve those questions later on, but solve only those questions which can be solved under 2 minutes. And that is what you can realize once you have done the enough practice of the quants question. That is what I am saying, that you need to keep a time check on each and every question. And that is also beneficial for one thing. You will get to know that in which areas you are solving the questions within 2 minutes, be it time and work questions, time, speed, distance questions, is it number system question or geometry questions. So one more thing you can do, you can make an Excel sheet for that. Like, for each and every chapter, you can maintain your time record, that in most of the questions you are taking more than 2 minutes in particular topic, like in number system topic. Okay, or in geometry you are taking in more questions less than 2 minutes. It means, so that Excel sheet at the end of your preparation journey in October or in the late Novembers, when the CAT exam must be appearing, that which topics you are good at and which topics you need more practice on. Okay, so that Excel sheet will be a good handy for you as well. Okay, so again I am repeating that you need to complete your basics till June, July period. Once the mock season starts, you need to practice only from mocks. Okay, do not go back to the books. If you have any problem in quants, then you can refer to the books for the concepts and all. But for LRDI and VARC, there is not at all needed to refer to the books once the mock season starts. Mock seasons are kind of a Ramband, right? Means everything will be done through the mocks. The questions that are appearing in mocks only, that will be the source of preparation for your CAT journey. Okay, so that's all for today's video. And again, as far as the timeline is concerned, that is something similar for every section, for all the three sections, that you need to complete your basics from January onwards to June, July. Okay, and after that, you can just follow the mocks and the previous year mocks as well. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video, and I have also made some playlists on my channel, so if you are interested, you can watch the videos over there, and also subscribe to the channel if you want more such kind of a content. I keep making the videos on the strategies, and I also make videos whenever I feel that some conceptual questions are there, or if I encounter any conceptual questions while preparing for myself, because I am also a CAT aspirant, right? So whenever I come across any good LRDI set or any good quants questions, I do upload that in a video on my channel. Okay, so you can subscribe to the channel, and I will be giving the link of one Telegram group as well. That will be for the discussion purpose. We can discuss good quality questions over there. So if you are interested in discussing good quality questions over there, you can join that group as well. The link is in the description. Okay, so that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.